Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, yes, it's still Tuesday, March the 14th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic. And let me zoom this out. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Tectonic with 4 stars. Number 6116. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Oh no, we have another one. Single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me scan. No. Oh, well, we have here dual box, contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. I see only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Only one quadra box. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. And here, another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright. More? No. Then the following shape. How about a T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape there. Alright. When you see the T shape, remember. Upside down, the T shape. This box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one, mirrored. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. More, another one here. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this one here. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only one. And the following shape. the L shape. Rotate it. Let me draw this box here. When you see this L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 shapes that you need to recognize. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Alright, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Okay. Alright. Let me drink something. And continue. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Well. 2 and 3, yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes in there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Alright. Let me see. The 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 4. And that box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Yeah. Well. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box. So 3 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Come on. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. 2. This box can be 2. Okay. 1. Well, difficult part now. The difficult part. 1. This will be a 1. Ay. Come on. 4, 5. 3, 5. Need to eliminate some numbers. Well, let me see. Can be 2 or 4. This box can be 5 because we have a 5 here. It's connected with this. This can be 5. These two. Well, this box can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. So it can be a 5 and is connected with that box should be also 5. Cannot be a 5. Is connected with that box. Can also not be a 5. These two boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah, that means that this box can be a 5. Okay. How about the 2? Then this box can be 2. Is connected with that box. Can be a 2. Cannot be a 2. It's not connected here. Yeah. This can be 2. Can be a 4. Wow. 2 and the 4. Can be 2 and a 4. Here. Well, I need to think. No 3 there. No 1. 1. Cannot be a 5. Cannot be a 5 there. 5 should be here. 5. No 1 there. I'm stuck. Well. 3. Overlooked something. 1. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. Wow. This box, the 2 could be one of these 3 boxes. So this box, 2 or 4, should be there. 2 or a 4. So the 3 is missing here. Here could be a 3, or there could be a 3. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Is connected with this box, should be also a 1. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3 or a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this L-shaped area should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. Well, this box can be a 2 because we have a 2 in the same area. Is connected with that box. Should be also not a 2. Can be 2. So the 2 could be here or there. We see a 2 here. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 5. Alright, so need a 1 here. 1 and this box can be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 5 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and this box should be a 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. Otherwise, if I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The 1 should be there. Alright. Then, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And the 4 could be everywhere. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. The 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 2. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and is connected with that box should be also 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. I've eliminated the 4 here. This box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated 1, so the 1 goes and there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes, oh wait. This box can be a 4, so the 4, and that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left here, so the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Alright. I think this box should be, 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Definitely 2. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be a 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Can it be a 3 and a 4? We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So this box should be a 5 then. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 and a 4, okay. And now, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3, another 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5 for the 5. Well, here also 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And that box should be a 5. Finished. In 90 minutes. Wow, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. We do 4 stars. No, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And yeah, definitely 2 stars. And I like this one. Do you like this too? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.